Before you panic sell your Jasmy coin, you have to pay attention to what we're about to talk about on the chart. A lot has changed since our last Jasmy price update video. And if you're paying attention to what the BTC chart is saying, the BTC liquidation area, what the Jasmy chart is saying, Jasmy chart liquidation area, you should have gotten a clear picture of what is about to happen in the market. Let's pay attention to what the chart is saying. If you're paying attention to the language Jasmy price chart is currently speaking on the daily time frame, you get to realize that we are likely to get a rejection from the zone around 0.031, and if we are to lose that price zone, we should drop and get a reversal from around 0.028 zone respectively as well for Jasmy coin. The reason why I said this 0.031 is likely to be a reversal area for the price of Jasmy coin is because when we lost that zone and dipped all the way to 0.028, what happened? We got a sharp pump back to the upside and closed that daily candle above 0.031. That is to say, this 0.031 is an extremely important price level for the price of Jasmy coin, because if you're paying attention right here, when we got this massive dump December 9th, 2024, what happened? We got a sharp pump from that exact price level. Same thing happened here. When we came here, we got a pump to the upside. We are now approaching that price zone. Now, if you're paying attention to what the liquidation heat map for Jasmy is saying, all indication on the Jasmy liquidation heat map is pointing at a potential reversal price to the upside. Because if you're paying attention right now, the liquidation heat map for Jasmy coin on the weekly time frame is indicating that we have a lot of liquidity around 0.040. And if you're to come down a little bit, we have another liquidity around 0.033 and also a minor liquidity around 0.032 zone. But the most liquidity, where the most liquidity is concentrated for the price of Jasmy coin is above, is to the upside. Likewise to what the liquidity heat map of BTC is saying on the weekly time frame. If you're paying attention, the liquidity heat map is saying we have a lot of liquidity for BTC around $93,000. Between $93,000 and $92,000 is a significant liquidity zone for BTC price. And if you're paying attention as well, we have a massive liquidity seated around $100,000 for. If you're interpreting what the liquidation heat map is saying, we might continue to get a consolidation or a ranging phase between the $100,000 for the BTC price and also $93,000 for BTC price as well. Let's even look at what the BTC chart is saying on the daily time frame. Now, if you're paying attention as well, the BTC chart on the daily time frame is kind of having a similar price chart to Jasmy coin on the daily time frame. Now, if you're going back to the BTC on the daily time frame, you will notice we are currently at around $93,551, which is a massive liquidity zone. That is to say, we might get a bounce from maybe around $92,500 if the dump should happen all the way to $92,000. We might get a bounce from that $92,000 zone for BTC price, because that's where we have one of the most liquidity. And also, we can't underestimate this week right here. You understand? The week that formed in 5th December 2024. That week should be put into consideration as well, which is around 90K zone. And also, this particular week should not be underestimated as well. The one that happened December 20th, 2024. Same thing happened for the price of Jasmy coin as well, December 20th, 2024. So these 2 weeks should be put into consideration. Like, anything can happen. Don't underestimate those 2 weeks. We might get a sharp dump there and immediately pump back up to the upside. So if BTC fails to reverse around 92K zone, then we are likely to get the reversal from $90,000 level. Let's talk about NordeK real quick. Now, NordeK is basically the future of blockchain technology, and they are currently working on creating the first BTC economy. Now, if you're to go through their yellow paper, which I will leave the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this video, NordeK is a ZK-powered EVM compatible layer 2 blockchain, which is anchored to both Bitcoin and Ethereum networks with unmatched security and decentralization attribute of the Bitcoin network and with the programmability and ecosystem richness of Ethereum. So this blockchain is preparing for their testnet launch, which is expected to happen 10th of January 2024. So far, the NordeK project has been featured on both Binance, CoinMarketCap, Business Insiders, Cointelegraph, the list goes on and on and on. The future of Bitcoin built on NordeK blockchain. Now, the blockchain promises to offer the lowest gas fee for Bitcoin transaction, and also is promising to increase the speed of Bitcoin transaction as well, you understand, and also secure infrastructure, developers friendly tools. On-chain future made easy for you. They are looking forward to launch their Launchpad, their wallet, their swap, their indexer, and also Oracle. Explore new opportunity on the NordeK Launchpad. NordeK Launchpad is your gateway to exciting new projects and investment opportunity within the NordeK ecosystem. Discover upcoming token launches, participate in token sales, and explore innovative projects that are shaping the future of blockchain technology. So you wouldn't want to miss this massive and new technology, new innovation that is coming on the NordeK ecosystem, the NordeK blockchain. Now, these are their partners. I believe a lot of you know some of the partners listed here. I think some of the popular partners here are CoinStore, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Solidity Scan. I believe you guys know Solidity Scan. They do more of auditing, and the list goes on and on. And xt.com, you can just click here to visit their YouTube channel to learn more about them. You can visit here to join their Discord group and follow them on LinkedIn. You can click here to join their Telegram community. They have tens of thousands of members already on their Telegram community. You can visit here to follow them on Twitter as well, and also on IG, you understand. So yeah, that's that for that. And if you want to subscribe to their newsletter, you can just input your email here and click on subscribe to proceed. So that's that for that. Check out the project. The project looks promising, like seriously, if you ask me. Their testnet is about to go live. You wouldn't want to miss an opportunity to gain early entrance, early access to promising project like this. So as long as the Jasmy price coin is between 0.028 and also 0.031, there's no cause for alarm at all, because very, very soon we are going to get a massive correction for the BTC Dominance. Remember, I told you guys that I'm expecting the BTC Dominance to retest the 58% zone once again, which we did, you understand, last week. And now we are currently below the 58% zone. The moment you start seeing 45%, that is when you should start considering to take profit. And I think when you should begin to take massive profit should be when we've dipped into the zone of 43, 42% for the BTC Dominance. 39% is usually the bottom for the BTC Dominance. You wouldn't want to hold on to your altcoin bags before then, because you might end up round tripping it if care is not taken. So if you want to start taking profit, consider the 45% zone as your take profit zone, and also 42, 41, 40% level should be the area you should take massive profit off the table.